Hey guys, thanks for watching. I wanted to show you this little LOL house of surprises. So this is like a little musical doll. It's called Little Musical Petite. A musical tour, I guess, is part of the LOL line. It has all kinds of musical instruments in the background. Hopefully you can see in the box there, little dice, actually a little tree, a little fragrance tree, looks like a little remote control, little car, little British car, little British flag, the British baby in there with the hair and everything. It's got a little drink in the car. It's a series 6, as you can see. It has a little musical tour, so it plays music. It is under 3 and up is the age on this one as well, and it's really cute. Just wanted to show you what it looks like in the box. Really, really cute. You can see, and I love the little British flag on here. It's really adorable. Super cute, as they say. You can see at the front, absolutely adorable. My daughter is going to love this. This is a surprise. I don't want to open it for her, but I just want to show you what it looks like in the box, and it is really adorable. Thanks for watching.